dawn's gentle light, where whispers of leaves kiss the morning dew, in fields where wildflowers weave their delight, my heart finds solace in thoughts of you. Beneath the canopy of skies so blue, where rivers sing a lullaby so sweet, I dream of moments loved with hues anew, where our souls in harmony meet. Oh, let us dance where the meadows bloom, and the mountains echo our love's refrain. I dream of moments loved with hues anew, where our souls in harmony meet. Oh, let us dance where the meadows bloom, and the mountains echo our love's refrain, where the breeze tells tales of love's perfume, in nature's embrace forever we remain. As the stars paint patterns on the canvas of night, and the moon serenades our tender embrace, in this symphony of nature's gentle mind, our love finds a home, a sacred place. In every leaf that rustles in the wind, in every sunset's fiery embrace, nature whispers secrets of love unconfined, a love eternal, adorned with grace. In every leaf that rustles in the wind, in every sunset's fiery embrace, nature whispers secrets of love unconfined, a love eternal,